Hello everyone, this is Mengqian. So today I'm going to talk about question 1 for homework 5. So for the first question, fxx equals to ux minus 1 minus ux minus 2, and fyy equals to uy minus uy minus 1. So the first question is use a convolution method to calculate fzz. So fzz equals to fxz times fyz, and it equals to from the sum of negative infinity to infinity of the fx alpha times fyz minus alpha d alpha. So from the equation, we took the alpha into the fx and fy. So it is, but we use the x minus 1 to instead alpha. So after take place u x minus 1, it equals to u alpha minus u alpha minus 1. So I will write and then we took the z minus 1 alpha into the y. So it is equals to u z minus alpha minus u z minus alpha minus 1 and times d alpha. So it equals to u alpha times u z minus alpha and times d alpha, and u alpha minus 1 times u z minus alpha and times d alpha, and minus u alpha times u z minus alpha minus 1 d alpha, and plus u alpha minus 1 times u z minus alpha minus 1 times d alpha. So this is a equation I just repeated, and then we took them into inside, and the first is from 0 to z, and the second is from 0 to z minus 1, and the third one is 1 to z, and the last one is 1 to z minus 1. So after we took them out, it is z times uz for and z minus 1 times uz minus 1, and minus z minus 1 times u minus 1, and plus z minus 2 times u z minus 2. So we get this equation, but then we need to take place the alpha, the z, because we first set alpha equals to x minus 1, so we should also minus 1 for the z. So it equals to z minus 1 times u z minus 1 minus 2 z minus 2 times u z minus 2 plus z minus 3 times u z minus 3. So for the second question, use a geometric method. So for the geometric method, we can separate them into three situations. The first situation is z less than 1, and the second one is z less than 1 but larger than 1 but less than 2, and the third one is z is larger than 2. So for the first one, we calculate the triangle. The area is square of the over 2. So the derivative of it is z. And for the second one, we can see that the rectangle is larger, and it's larger, the z is larger than 1. So we calculate them to be the 2 minus the square z square over 2 and minus 2 times the very little triangle. It is z minus 1 square over 2. So derivative of it is 2 minus z. And for the third one, after z is larger than 2, it got the whole square. So the fzz is 1, and little fzz is 0. So this is a solution to the first question.